Hi, I'm Sylvia Islip of Trade and Discount Signs. We've been manufacturing health and safety signs probably for about the last 25 years now. And we decided in the summer of this year that we needed to upgrade our previous Agfa Anapurna. So we looked at various options in the marketplace and did our research and decided that really to stay with Agfa was our best option. So from there we invested in our new Anapurna H1650i LED, and I have to say we're absolutely delighted with the results that we've been getting. And Agfa very kindly invited us up to Leeds to see the machine in action. And I have to say, when we saw it, we just couldn't believe it. We were blown away, and it was love at first sight. So it was an absolute no-brainer that we had to get on board with this new machine. I was quite anxious about the install. They said, oh, we'll have it sorted in 3 days. And I was a bit, yeah, I'm sure. But in actual fact, that's exactly what happened. They came, they took the old one away, the new one came in, it got commissioned on day 2, and we were up and running within 3 days. It was astounding. What's also blown us away is the fact that from here on in, we can just do so many more jobs that we weren't able to do before, or if we were able to do them, it was an awfully long process. And now we can entertain new clients, we can enter into new marketplaces. And we were really oblivious to the fact that these opportunities were available to us. Because with the old machine, we were just plodding along, we were quite happy, we just didn't realise there could be such a massive improvement on not only the quality, but the speed of the process. We were having a lot of problems with the old machine, and what we've also found with Agfa is the fact that it's so important to get the right support. So whenever anything went wrong, they were always there. They always came on time, they always sorted us out. And that to me is priceless when you're actually looking at a piece of equipment that is so critical to your business. And we are heavily reliant on this machine running for us on an hourly basis. Because with health and safety, you find that people need signs, they'll phone us, they'll say, we need it tomorrow. So we have to be able to respond to that request, and we are able to do it even better now we've got this new machine in place.